Hello, beautiful people and future me. So, welcome to another programming workout of mine, which I try to improve my coding abilities. Each day we start with a typing exercise, and now I press this magical button, and it says I will be doing Angularjs tutorial today. Uh, I was thinking about changing this table, and that is something I have in mind for some time already. And I think it would be nice to have the opportunity to kind of enable or disable like the columns, entire columns. Now I have one column, but I would like to divide it by language. So one would be Java, another would be JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular. You get the gist. So after the typing practice, we might change that. Okay, so let's improve my typing, hopefully. At least that's what that button says. Okay. Oh, forgot the starter time. Here we go. Many errors today. Alright, so as the first one, I'm expecting high range of unproductive keystroke. Well, it's still under 10%. So that's not the worst in the universe. And we have VPN of 39. Oh, well, it is what it is. I'm not complaining. And we are at the 4th minute. I started it kind of late, so it will be around 5th, I think. Tweet your achievement. Lesson finished. It looks like I finished this part, I guess. When I do improve your typing, I think this will be completed, and it is Python Mercurial. So we'll be we will be writing a symphony next time. Okay. Well, I kind of changed my mind about rewriting this thing. I think the priority is to learn something first today. So we will do this tutorial, and it says Angularjs tutorial. So I will open my project and Angularjs Playground. That's the name of the project. Here we go. And we'll see where we are. Music IntelliJ idea at this moment. But I might want to have a look at another development environments as well. Not that it matters that much. Uh, the environment is not too important really. At least in this stage for me, the main bottleneck would be to know what to actually type in there to make it work the way I want to. That's my bottleneck at this moment. What I tend to do is, or I used to do, is to research for the environments and try to learn the most effective thing. But then I spend all the time like researching this environment instead of learning what to actually do in there. And that was the mistake I did. Yeah, because the goal really is, for me at least, to be productive in that with that technology, meaning like the framework or language or whatever. So the rule for me at least is to just not spend too much time on anything else. Okay, so here we have what? Here's an app, and here the schools tutorial. It's been a while. Also, maybe I could do a schedule. Monday I would be doing like Java, Tuesday JavaScript, uh, Wednesday some framework, Java framework, Thursday JavaScript framework, and Friday would be a random pick. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Because right now I'm all over the place. If we have a look in here, I have so much things going on. I have execute program, that's okay, that's SQL, TypeScript, and so on. And then we have Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular, JS, CSS, Bootstrap, SAS, SQL, Spring, Jasmine. And that's not all the things I want to learn. There's so many things I wanna learn and master, and each of them takes time. So it is what it is. Okay, so we free schools. Uh, we free schools. Yep. And I want the AngularJS one. That is in here. And if we have a look in here, I see we were on filters. Maybe I can view it. That was Alt F2, I believe. But I have to be here. Purify it. Or I could press this button as well. I just like the shortcuts. That's all. And it did not. Oh, here we go. To go over all filters in tutorial. Okay, so there's definitely something I'm missing, and I think it would be not a shame to go over everything once again because I barely remember anything. So the rules is to code from memory without help, reading anything and so on. And then if I'm stuck or I think I did everything, I will read the tutorial, either verify that I did everything or find some holes that I missed something. And repeat those two steps until I will be satisfied. So let's do the coding thing first. So I will create a new file, and that will be HTML, and it will be like so, maybe. Filters. Why do I have this numbering in here? I don't remember anymore why I did it this way. This will be filters. Enter, that's it. Do I have it here as well? Why is this 05? Why is this 04? Why is this 02? It is like second section. This is 02. I thought, so that is the 10 is corresponding to. Okay, I don't know. Rename is the 1 dash 1. Sure, why not? And now comes the problem because I don't remember. I don't remember what I should write in here, and I somehow need to add the scripts to load the thing at all. So, for example, this would execute 2 plus 3. 3 should be 5, right? But when I view it right now, I will get this. That is not correct. So what I want to do is to have everything here, and I think that was the script tag. And inside of it, I will include the libraries. That might be why I had it open. It will be AngularJS, I guess. If I do this, it worked. Okay, cool. like so, and I can have a try if this works. Maybe I want to force reload. Have to catch hard reload, and that does not completed exactly what I want. So I have Angularjs, and then something else I need. I don't remember. So I will have a. Oh, wait a moment. Oh yeah. Okay, I know. And that is that I need to say here was we will be like ng app, and it will be now uh, it should point to the app definition. So here I will put it in here, script like so, and here I will have a Angular module app equals, and here will be pointer, which will have filter app, or was it like this? Oh crap, I don't remember. Okay. Angular module. Okay, so small app filters. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is like so. So we will define it. Oh, it was not. Let app equals to Angular module. Here will be the name. It goes like this. Dependencies, nothing. Is that so? Yeah. Angular module. Then dash R1, like repetition. So I will rename this as well. Yes. Well, it's partial repetition, but who cares? Now, I have to define the filter app. I think. Maybe. Well, I'll do app like this. I think this is not enough to make it work, but I will try anyway. I will reload. Not found. Yeah, because I renamed it. So let's go in here. Alt F2 in Chrome. And still does not work. So what I need to do is have a controller, I think. So app dot controller equals Angular dot controller. It's kind of app like so. Maybe. Is that it? And here is the method of it? I don't know. So, name, two parameters, two input parameters. So it gets the name and the function, and then you have the logic and so. But that should be. Then I have app filters, ng controller filters control. So I have to have those two, controller and that. So there's an app, but it did not say app. It says filters control. Okay, so that's the name. I will name the controller. So this will, was it in quotes or not? Yeah, it was. So this will be filter controller dash R1. Then we will have the function like so. Put a comma in here, and we will have ng app and now ng controller. I think ng controller. Yeah, this one equals to filter controller R1. Okay, now it could be working, I think. So let's have a look. So if I reload by itself, it doesn't happen anything. If I do, come on. Oh, I don't have the console up. Oh, we have an error. Cool. Angular controller is not a function. Controller is not a function. Is it not? I thought that is what you do. Angular controller. And this one says, oh, it's on the module. Okay. So it will be what? It just said app controller without defining the variable. Okay, so here we'll say app dot controller like so. And this is underlined. Why? What does it say? It's not of function type. It says the same in here. Okay, so I will ignore it. I will not pass in the scope. I don't need it at this moment. I'll save it and view it again. Well, I could do it in here. I will application hard reload and see if we get, okay, progress. We have other error. Fail to instantiate module app due to error. Module app is not available. You either misspelled the module name or forgot to load it. So let's have a look at that. Did I? App? What was the error? Failed to instantiate module app due to app is not available. Angularjs 138, and it starts somewhere in my. Where's the line? If I click on this, will it show me something? What does it show? Okay, so what is the... This is kind of slower. And what is the problem? So I have that, the name, hub filters. Oh, I see. So we should be using the name in here for the ng-app directive, and that this goes for this one as well. Now, why this one is colored like a string and this one is not? I don't know. Let's go and see if we fix this one. Oh, and it works now. Okay, so good. There are a few things which I have to do. First, include the Angular.js script. Then we define the module, and inside of the module we define the controller. And here we are using in the script, we are using JavaScript variables. But in here we are using what is registered names of the controller and app in the Angular. So now when this works, I can try the filters or filter, and I will use the scope variable to bring something to the view, and I will say that in scope we will have an array. Scope dot, I don't know, let's say names, and that will be equal to an array, and we will have Frederick, Peter, Misha, and Kristinka. That's a few names I was just thinking about. And we will display here something. So let's have a div. And inside we will put something, and that something will be the scope.names, and we will leave it as it is right now. And have a look how it looks. So I will reload it. And did not nothing. So maybe I need to save it in here. I will do the horizontal line. So I know that I did change it. I hope that's the right thing. It was HR for some reason, right? Okay. Now I don't see the names. Why? Maybe I can do just names. Yep, it looks like it. Okay. And now I will pipe it to the filter of Angular. So I'll say filter, and I'll say A, and it should show Christine only, but it seems like I have some error in here, expecting new line or semicolon. What about without this? No, this is not how, apparently not how you use the filters. So where's the filter? Filter, comma. Okay. Filter, comma. That isn't a comma, that is a colon. That is a colon, and I will reload this. And now it prints out anything that is A in it. And I can try to make it nicer, maybe. So I will have input type text ng bind will be filter wall, yeah, why not? And here it will be filter value. Maybe that will work. This is not what I wanted. So let's see. If I reload it, I have that. It does not do anything. So let's have a look on now here. Here I want it. This is, I don't have the input. So binding by expression, input type text, ng model name. Okay, so ng model it is. That's what I'm looking for. Go here, and this will be ng model. Yep. Maybe now it works. Doesn't look like it. I'll try anyway. Oh, come on, I'm holding it. Empty hard reload. Now it works. So everything with E, Frederick Peter. Everything with P is Peter. F, R, and so on. So this is the basic function of filters in Angular. And there are a few things which I forgot. So ng model does create variable as well. If I do have a scope but name equal p, and I will do ng bind, I think. Bind, and this will be name. Maybe that will work because I have the variable in here, and the ng model actually creates it as well. So let's that. No, it does not work. Well, anyway, that's the basic of it, and that's everything I think I can do from a memory, kinda, sort of. So we have something, then we do it. We can apply the filters. Oh, okay, so there's order by, currency filter, filter, a filter I was doing. They were doing the and you repeat. That's something I could do. This is nice, and that repeats the list item. Mm-hmm. Ordered by me. Oh, that's a method. Where's the method defined? Nowhere. So this is interesting as well. And we are over the time. So that means we are done, and done is better than perfect. I still have like few times to do something to my work. So we are done. And done is better than perfect. So have a nice day. Bye.